This is one of the most comprehensive teaching method for fade haircut that I've ever done. Watch this video. Okay, first of all, there's something I want to make you guys understand. You see this hair? You see the way this hair has made this hair, and I need to fade this side. Assuming this place is a dread, like he's carrying dread here, I will reduce this hair, probably with like step 1.5 or step 1, depending on how low I want the hair to be. But because he's going to lose this hair and his hair is going to come back to normal, this is not dread, this is his normal hair, I would not reduce this hair. I would not reduce this side. I would just blend this place up and leave this particular place. I will leave it. This is how I'm going to leave this hair, because if I reduce this place and he loses his hair, it's going to make this place look weird. Again, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and share my video. If you have been following my YouTube channel, you would know now my barbing pattern, they're always the same in every type of hair. So the first thing we do is that we'll open our clipper all the way open. We go up by 1/4 inch up. We close the clipper. And we open it completely. The next thing I did, I wore my step 1. I opened my clipper all the way open by 1/4 inch up again. Because we are fading on a very small amount of hair, we will be very careful on how much we put our hair up if we want to fade. And we open completely. The next thing I will do is I'll wear my step half. This is my step 0.5. I call this thing step half or 0.5. I close it all the way closed. And you see this place I faded on. That is where I want to use my step 0.5 on. Not on this place that have full hair, on this place that are faded. The next thing I will do is that I open my clipper all the way open. I will use the edge of my clipper, the edge, not the full, the edge. On this same place I faded, I use step 0.5 on. The next thing I'll do is I wore my step. This is step 1.5. This is step 1.5. Some people have this in black, but I prefer this in orange color, so I have a lot of this color. I opened it. I open my clipper all the way open. The next thing I'll do now is I'll still wear my step 1. I shifted it up. I don't want it to be equal. I don't want the step 1 to hit the blade of my clipper, so I made like a little bit of space in between. If you have been watching my video, you will know what I'm talking about. But if you don't understand what I'm talking about, watch the remaining of my video on my YouTube channel, then you will definitely understand what I'm talking about. I open my clipper all the way open. Close up by middle, and we'll close completely. All the way closed now. You see the way I'm barbing and I'm brushing? It makes barbing easier. So you would know where you've not brushed or where you've not barbed. I opened my clipper all the way open with my step 1. Now the blade and the step 1, they are joining together. They meet themselves. I opened my clipper and I'm brushing it on at the same direction. I close it now, still brushing it on the same direction. When I'm through, I will remove this step. Open my clipper all the way open, then still brush it at the same direction. If you look at this hair now, it look like there's hair here and this place is blended. In your normal mind now, as a beginner, you'll be like, you don't like this place, you want to reduce this place. But if you mistakenly reduce this place and he loses his hair, this place automatically start looking weird from the mirror and he would not be comfortable with it. That is where you and your customer will have problem. So the way this place is, this is what it's supposed to be. This hair now. The important thing is that you blended where you're supposed to blend well enough. So what I'm doing now is called finishing touch. From my last video I posted, what I want to do now is called finishing touch. I told you if you want to do finishing touch, we use just the edge of the clipper, not the complete blade, the edge. The same thing at the back. Sure. You have kata. Should I open? Yeah, should have before. So you not saying anything.